Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Introduction to Computing course. The course code is CS101-2. So, today is the first lecture of uh, online lectures on Introduction to Computing course. And today we are going to discuss how to make a presentation using PowerPoints. So I am Mohammad Adnan, a lecturer in Institute of Computing. The outline of today's lecture is we are going to discuss how to make presentations. We are going to discuss the ribbon, understanding slides and slides layout, how to insert text and how to format them, how to perform different operation on text, slide basics, what are slides, and how to play with them. We are going to discuss applying various themes to your presentation, inserting pictures, etc. So with that, I'm going to switch to the layout view. So in fact, this is what the PowerPoint uh, program looks like. Like it has many options and functions that are similar to Microsoft Word and to Microsoft Excel. But the point is that all these operations are very easy to learn. Like you will experience PowerPoint will uh, like it's like a tutorial. Like it's like your teacher telling you what to do and how to do it. So things are now very easy when you make presentation. So in order to insert a slide, or first of all, let me tell you how to start this program. You can go to this search option, click there, and you can just type PowerPoint, and you can see that PowerPoint 2000. I have PowerPoint 2003 version, so you can click on it, and a new presentation. Like you will see a window like this where the PowerPoint is asking you about which type of presentation do you want to give. So there are some built-in themes, layouts, and most of the time you are going to click, and for the moment you should click this blank presentation. So when you click on it, you will see that a blank presentation has been inserted for you. So this is how you insert a new slide. Okay, let me go to my main slide. So you can see the summary of slides over here. So I have total of let me see, I have total of 15 slides, and you can also uh, view this information on the status bar. So it says 2 of 15. So we are currently on slide number 2 of 15. So let me scroll up. All right. So beside this, you can switch to the PowerPoint view by clicking on this slideshow button. So if I click on it, so the presentation will occupy the whole screen. All right. So let me now go back. If you want to stop this slideshow option, you can click on the escape key. So now you see that we have returned to the outline uh, slide, which is slide number 2. So if I want to insert a slide between slide number 2 and slide number 3, make sure that you have selected slide number 2, and then go up there. There is an option, it says insert new slide. So you can click on this drop down arrow, and then out of many slides layouts, so these are called slides layouts, you can select anyone. So most of the time we select title and content, but it's up to you, whatever you select. So I'm going to select this option, it says comparison. So that slide along with that layout has been inserted. So let me select it. So if you want to delete it, select it, make sure that you have selected the right slide, right click on it, and then you can click on delete slide, or you can click on delete button. That particular slide will be deleted. There are some other options that you can use. For example, if I right click this slide number 2, I can cut it, I can copy it. I have different options for the paste. I can insert a new slides from this window. I can duplicate a slide. I can delete a slide. I can add different sections to my presentation. I can publish slides, like publish them on the internet. I can change the layout of the slide. So if you do not want this layout, you can switch to any other of these layouts. You can reset the slide to the default layout. You can format the slide. Even you can hide the slide. So a hidden slide won't be displayed on the slide view option. Okay, for the moment I'm just going to click this option, and it says new slide. So you see that a new slide has been inserted. Once again, I'm going to select it, click the delete button, go back, select the slide number 2, and then right click, and then you can say duplicate slide. So the same slide has been duplicated. So once again, I'm going to select slide number 3. I'm going to delete it, right click once again, and then you can say delete slides. I'm going to click on delete slides. So that slide has been deleted, but that slide was a very important slide. So you can always click on this undo option, or shortcut key is Control plus Z, in order to recover that slide. So this slide has been recovered. I'm going to select it, right click again. You can add section. So another section has been added. So this is like default section, and this is like a newly inserted section. So I'm going to right click that section and remove that section, because we do not need it for the moment. Okay, let me once again select this outline slide. As I told you earlier, we are going to discuss these topics. So on the top here you have different ribbons. So this is home ribbon, this is insert ribbon, and inside each ribbon we have different sections. Like this is cut, copy, format, painter, paint section, and this is like insert new slide, layout. So most of the options are similar to that of Excel, Access, or Word. So these options are related to the formatting. These options are related to the alignment, to the text direction, and there you can insert commonly used graphics or shapes in your slide. You can arrange slide, you can give like style to your slide. So you can see that there are different sections inside each ribbon. So we have the insert ribbon, design ribbon, transition ribbon, animation ribbon, slideshow, review, view, and ads in. So if you want to add some more slide, or if you want to get recording of your slide, so you can use this ads in. I'll go back to home slide, and then up there we have the save option. You can save your document. We have this PowerPoint option. It says minimize, restore, close, etc. We have undo and redo option, and this option is a slideshow option. So when I click on it, so this whole slides will occupy the whole screen, and down there you can always create a new slide, open an existing slide, email it, save it. You can get a spell check, undo, redo. All these options are available over here. Okay, so these are called ribbons. These are also called tabs, whatever you say it. But here we have some other important information, like you can close this presentation. You can let me click this. You can minimize it. You can change the size of the slides. Once again, I'm going to click, and in order to maximize it, you can minimize it completely, so it is completely hidden, and then you can once again restore it. Okay, this is an important option. It says ribbon display option. So if I click it, the first option is auto hide ribbon. So if I click it, so the ribbon has been hidden for us. It's just because we want to fully concentrate on our own slides. And then if I click on it, let me click back, and let me click and show tabs only. So it will only show tabs. So there you can see tab, insert tab, design tab, and if I click somewhere else, so the tabs are not there, so they are hidden in these menus or ribbons. So once again I click on it, and the third option is show tabs and commands. So it will show the tabs, the ribbons, and also the command inside each ribbon. Okay, let's go back to the outline. Now you know how to create a new presentation, how to insert slides, how to work with a layout. The other thing is about how to add different themes. Like here I have already discussed applying the slide theme. So it's very simple. You go to the design, and from the design ribbon you can see there are lots of design. Click here, and then you can, like, you can select whatever slide you want. So I'm going to insert, okay, I'm going to insert this theme. So theme has been changed. You can now see everything is now changed. If you do not like it, you can always click Ctrl plus Z, go up, apply another theme. If you still do not like it, apply Ctrl plus Z. So it's up to you which theme do you use. Okay, now with that, this presentation is about shell by field animal rescue. Like we want to rescue animal and put them inside some like some field where they are safe. So uh, this is you have noticed that the layout of this slide is different from the layout of this slide, because I mean you can always find what is the layout of this slide by going to the home tab, and then, or you can right click and then click layout. So now this layout has been applied. So it says a title and subtitle. So shell by field animal rescue, and then we can move, and our mission is to rescue, rehabilitate, and rehome stray or unwanted pets. So here this is like another layout. You right click if you want to find what is the layout of this slide. So it is picture with caption. So now we have caption, but we do not have a picture. So you can click on this button and you can select any picture that you want. But like I can click on this button, and I have a different option over here. I can select any picture, but for the moment I do not have that particular image. So I can always go to the internet. So you can see I want this picture. So you right click it, copy. Always remember right click as a very handy option, and go to your presentation here, and you can then come over here and click this paste option. So a picture has been inserted in your slide. Okay, still we have some time. Okay, now that you have inserted the picture, we can like mm, change the size of this picture, or we can rotate this picture, or we can move this picture. I mean, there are different operations. Even you can format this picture. You see, there are different options available. Color picture, like if you want this style. I mean, this is related with the brightness of the picture, the color of the picture, and so there are lots of options that you can use. I'm going to use this option, and then everything looks okay. We can now move ahead, and there is another slide. It says that benefit of pet ownership, all warm and fuzzy inside. Okay, I have already told you about this wonderful tutorial on like on basics of computing. So once again I'm like telling to you people, go to this website edu.gcfglobal.org/en PowerPoint. So there you can also get a very good information about the PowerPoint, like getting started with PowerPoint, understanding OneDrive, creating an opening presentation, etc. So it is also your assignment to go through each of these topic and have a knowledge of how to create good, attractive, and professional website. Okay, so once again I'll go back to this slide, and then you can always move if you want to, like, move these the title to the top, so you can select it and move them. If you want to like increase the text size, so make sure that you have selected the text, and you can increase the size by directly clicking on this button, or you can like um, change the appearance, and then you can also decrease the size. You can make it bold, change the color. I'm going to change the color to black, reduce the size. You can align it center, right, you can justify it, but the left alignment is okay for the moment. And then we move on. So there you can see we have another slide. It says that like, do you know, so this text is very small. The owner experience benefits such as companionship, social opportunities. So I cannot read this text, so as always select this option and increase the text. And you can move them up. Okay, so I'm going to select both of these options. Select this box, same time select this box, and then move them up. Make sure that you have press the control button. Now that I'm at like I have selected this rectangular area, you can increase the text size, so looking better. Okay, so let's move once again, move ahead. Man's pet best friend, and then you can once again, like, there are different option. This is a like a dog. You can insert its information over here, name and dislike, and how much old it is, weight, etc. So we move on. This is like another style of the presentation. Like, you can add some title over here, and then you can add information about those pets, or whatever you want, on or if you want to make comparison between two things, so you can say that here we have types of dogs, enter, and then enter information related to, like, types of dog, and then you can also click here types of cats, and enter the information about the types of cats, or whatever you want. So let's move up, so you can see that similar type of slides, you can insert those similar types of slides uh, by just clicking on this insert new slide option. Okay, now I'm going to go to the make sure that you have selected the right slide. I'm going to go to this first slide, click here, and there you can start giving your presentation about your topic or whatever. But if you want to use some markers or laser pointer or pen or highlighter, so then down here you can see these option, and you can, like, select them, and you can highlight your points, or if you want to draw something, you can always, like, for the sake of explaining something, you can draw a diagram, uh, then you move up, and then you can point to some point that uh, if you want to explain. So things are like very easy while you use. So I'm going to click on the escape button, and the Microsoft PowerPoint option in this window tells me want to keep your ink annotation. So I'll say I'll discard it because I do not want them. And yeah, I think with that we are almost done in uh, learning about how to create, make presentations, insert text, insert themes, insert slides layout, insert text, format text. There are a lots of other options that you can use, but as always, once again, I'm going to tell you that this is a very useful website. Go over there and learn more about a PowerPoint option, and I hope that it will help you a lot. So inshallah we'll meet in the next lecture. So till then, Allah Hafiz.